Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Ella from Subway Surfers. I did use a VIP item. It's a jacket, but you can kind of replace it if you'd like to. For the hair, I just used this afro. Then for the fit, I used this jacket in this red color, 670C0E, in the longer toggle. Then I used this top over here in just white. Then I used these like leggings in type 2 toggle in this color, 2B160B. For the shoes, I used these in red. Maybe I made it a little bit darker like this red. And then the rest I did in white, and then I am going to just make it red again here. And then I'm going to add the socks, so enable the socks toggle. Grab these hoop earrings and color it this color, BD7633. Then I'm just going to get the surfboard. Hopefully you guys already have that. I feel like it's a little bit easier to open than the rest anyways. And color it orange and red, or just orange. It's up to you. But that is it. That is how you can create Ella from Subway Surfers on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.